Good morning everyone. I'm Sirisha from CSTV. My PPT is about ghosts. Do anybody believe in ghosts? Yes. Why people believe in ghosts? Mostly people believe in ghosts because they have seen many supernatural things happen around, and they have seen and sensed some unexplained presence. According to Albert Einstein theory, they stated that actually ghosts exist. When human beings are haunted by ghosts, then they will be like this. Not only human beings but also animals and plants. If plants are haunted by ghosts, they will die. The arrival of ghosts will be known for animals and nature than by human. These are some of the symmetries. So what science says about ghosts? The physician John Ferrier says that the result of ghost is just optical illusions, and the French physician Alexander Jacques says that ghosts are some of the hallucinations faced by humans. Famous haunted places all around the world. There are many haunted places around the world. For example, in Rajasthan, Khudara, which was in Jaisalmer, was one of the haunted places. No one will be there, and they are scared to be there. Nearly 18 people wanted to conclude that there is no devil or ghost in that place. So they went there and they have spent 12 hours, horrifying hours at that night. They have carried laser lights and they have seen many shadows and many ghosts, and they have carried K2 meter which measures the temperature about the ghost. At one position they have got 41 degrees. When they went front, they got 31 degrees like that, and one man sensed that someone is touching him. So these all happened, and they concluded that it was a ghost place. So one government want to take that land because no one is living there. So because of ghosts, they didn't took that land. So this is one of the haunted places penitentiary in Imams Valley, West Virginia. If haunted places will be like this. I know how to see the ghost. Let me tell you some instructions. Step 1. First, you have to be alone in your house. First, you have to be alone in your house and find a quiet place. You can sit in your chair or you can lie on your bed. After that, close your eyes and visualize some house where you have born or raised. Step 3. You just imagine that you are at that house and you are at the front of the door. Just open the door and go inside that, and just you go around the house in clockwise direction, opening all the windows one by one. After that, now you retrace the steps, and now you go in anti-clockwise direction, closing all the windows one by one. Now, then you can sense something. You can see something. Just try. Now leave the house via front door, everything, and open your eyes. This is also haunted ghost beach. It was known as Ghost Beach because in 2004 tsunami came in this beach, and many ghosts will be there in this beach. So it was named as Ghost Beach, which was in Chennai. This is very popular castle, Thorness, Edinburgh Castle, Edinburgh in Scotland. So what do you think? All of us have experienced something which is supernatural, and personally we can do that, and by listening to our friends, neighbors or relatives. Thank you.
have given some instructions.